Did you know that by the year 2050, the human population will jump to 9.6 billion? Have you ever wondered if the planet will be able to host so many more humans? Is it even feasible to produce enough food for such a huge population? Did you know that 1 to 2 acres of rainforests are cleared every second for animal rearing and agriculture? Did you know raising livestock generates 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions? Did you know animal agriculture wastes 1/3 of drinkable water? Did you know more than 80% of antibiotics produced on the earth are consumed by the animals and indirectly by the humans? In fact, a recent study by the Review of Antimicrobial Resistance estimates that by 2050, if nothing is done to curb antibiotic misuse, resistant bacteria will kill 10 million people a year, more than are killed by cancer today, and will cost the global economy $60 trillion to $100 trillion. So, do we sit and wait for the whole system to collapse, or look at the sustainable and efficient solution? Plant-based alt food is the answer to it. We are a food tech company which strives to create tastier, healthier, and most important, ethical food to the society than the conventional foods being served today. We produce alt food from plants which is more sustainable and efficient. This will mitigate climate change, environmental degradation, and the rise of antibiotic resistance because it uses about 80% less water, land, gas emissions, and zero antibiotic. We offer you the sustainable alt food letzvez. Interestingly, these are also known as plant-based meat, alt meat, mock meat, faux meat, fake meat, and etc. But we fondly call it alt food because it's an alternative protein food for everyone, either veg or non-veg. We call it alt food because these are rich in protein, have good dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals, and are free from trans fats and bad cholesterol. We call it alt food as it is guilt-free food which is grown but not born without compromising on taste and texture. So let's look at how we make letzvez alt foods. Protein-rich crops like soy, pea, etc. are sourced from the farms. These crops are then converted into protein isolates and concentrates, then processed into high moisture extrusion machinery, and thereby delicious foods are made through various processes. Final products are stored in a frozen facility. Online orders are delivered in frozen state. These pre-mixed products can be cooked within minutes without adding any spices or condiments. Indians are known for their jugaad skills, and Indian housewives have mastered this art. letzvez gives lot of varieties to be cooked from its range of alt foods, like Manchurian from Pops, keema stuffed samosa, kati roll from keema stuffed naan or paratha, keema pav, keema pulao, burger from patty chaat, hot dog from sausage, and the novelty goes on. If marketing is the muscle of a product, then R&D is the skeleton. Our Research and Development Incubation Center is in Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysuru. It is a 71-year-old highly prestigious institute under the custodianship of Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. CFTRI is a large and diversified laboratory. There are nearly 200 scientists, technologists, engineers and 16 R&D departments. The institute has developed over 300 products, processes and equipment types. It holds several patents and has published findings in reputed journals. Eat healthy, be healthy and sleep well at night. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿಸಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಶ್ರೀ N.R. Narayan Murthy, founder of Faux. A clear conscience is the softest pillow in the world.